Hello everybody, it's that time again. It's the spring is in the air and the 2021 Baseball America set is now out and available for those that pre-ordered. I'm not sure how much longer it is for the people who did not pre-order, but it'll be coming shortly, and it's become one of my yearly rituals to get everything set up. I don't always play a full season with it. In fact, I rarely do, although this year I really want to. But the fun part is just organizing the teams, creating the cities and the nicknames, making a schedule, and just the whole fun of your own universe in the fictional set for Play.com's History Maker Baseball. All right, today that I'm recording this is March, I believe it's March the 8th. I want to say it's March the 8th. It's Tuesday. I think it's March 8th. March 8th, March 9th, somewhere around, whatever Tuesday is in that. And this came in just a few minutes ago. So all I did was open this up. I have not looked inside yet, so we're going to look at and see what you get when you order the 2021 Baseball America set. The other thing I also ordered is we have the original game box here from Play.com, which is about yay big. So you're kind of limited on what you can store in here. So I did order one of the new game boxes. Curious to see how that looks as well. So let's pull out the particulars. And the first thing we'll notice, because of the pre-order, is the Johnny Fortune t-shirt. The Johnny Fortune Baseball America t-shirt. I will pull this out so you can take a look at it and see how it looks. So let's get that out, and I'll see about setting this up where you can at least try to get a decent look at it. There it is, Play Classics Baseball America League 2021, and there's the image of Johnny Fortune. And here, a little note from Keith says, "Greetings, thanks for being part of our 2021 Baseball America card preset order. Enclosed, please find your copy of the card set and your Johnny Fortune 2021 Baseball America autographed t-shirt. Here's wishing you a spectacular opening day, successful league season for your version of Baseball America." Notice how he puts the "your" in all caps, because that's how the whole point of this fictional set is that it's your universe. You can do with it what you wish. There's no right or wrong. There are 12 teams in there. You can play the 12 teams as Keith has them set up. You can draft and make whole new teams. You can just play 6 of the teams and put the other 6 to the sidelines. You can do all kinds of things. Whatever it is you want to do, you can do. Now, I bought an extra large. I wasn't sure if I needed a large or an extra large. I wasn't sure of the sizing on this thing. It is made by Hanes. So it's just basically a Hanes white t-shirt with this imprinting on it. I don't know if it's going to shrink or not. This thing may be a little bit big for me. Maybe like wearing a dress, I don't know. But it's certainly going to be comfortable. I'd rather have it too big than too small, because if it's too big, it'll be comfortable. If it's too small, you can't wear it. All right, so the new box is there, and I really want to compare the two boxes together. That's one of the more interesting things that I want to see, is how the two boxes compare. So let's pull out the world famous bubble wrap that Keith uses. And as we all know, part of the fun of opening these things is the bubble wrap itself. All right, so let's put it on its side, and we'll put these two together so we can see the width difference here. We'll do it this way. Maybe that's side-by-side comparison. A little bit wider, obviously. I mean, you can see a little bit there, a little bit different. Don't know the full extent until I start putting seasons in here. But basically, the covering slides on and off. So it's not like the whole box is like that. The outside has this black box to hold the contents, with the outside sleeve here redesigned. Looks like a little bit of a redesign from the original. Let's see. Yeah, the original had this. Whoops, wrong way. The original had this, and the new one has this. So you see a little bit different the way it's set up. So that's what we got here. I really didn't need to order the extra box. I just decided, what the heck, Might as well. This is the one main game from Play that I play. So I didn't update the boxes on the hockey or the football because I don't get to play them very often. So I stuck with the basic box there. So let's look inside the content of this box. And we have the nice, neat little 2021 Baseball America set. And is what's typical when you order this set. Get these things out of the way. You get all the teams and their records so that you can use the Universal Instant Results table to do those. And of course there's a little verbiage on here as well that talks about the season. Briefly, it says the 9th year of our fictional pro baseball league. Each year we've seen growth, blah, blah. For summer of the new season, visit the Baseball America product page at playclassic.com. So we're used to seeing play.com. This is playclassic.com. And it kind of gives you an overview. Just talks about some of the moving around. There are new umpires and only one change to the ballpark. Good Sports Park has been replaced by a brand new facility Econo Brew Field. All right, so there you go. There's the win-loss records for each of the teams. Typically, I had been playing Team 12, but as you can see on Team 12, they're pretty bad. So I may have to pick another team. I kind of like to get somebody closer to 500. I don't want a really good team. I don't want a really bad team. So I may pick somebody. I may pick Team 7 because they're not that great either. They're 10 games under. There is really no close team to 500. The closest team appears to be this 469. You're either going to be. It's interesting. He doesn't have any teams in the league are expected to be 500. I may just look through all the rosters and pick a team. I don't really know how I'm going to do this. We'll see. But anyway, that's what you get there. And then of course you have the umpire charts with all the umpires. And if you've ever seen the fictional league, you'll notice that a lot of the names are the same. Probably some new ones if I go through it long enough. And of course they're all broken down Team 1 through Team 12. And then at the end, you have free agent spots where there's no team designation. You can write it in anywhere you want. Let's see here. And of course there are the ballpark cards, and the Econo Brew Field is the new park on the horizon. Of course the world famous Biddy Bear Park is there as well. So it's actually, looking at this, it's actually 18 stadiums. But if there's only 12 teams, then I just pick the 10 stadiums I like. And I always like to try to pick a stadium that's got a little disclaimer on it to maybe add a little intrigue to that. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. It's not anything earth-shattering. It's just kind of my rite of passage to get the fictional set every year. Been doing it since I think 2018 was the first year I did it. So this is either, well, it might have been 2017. Take it back, it was 2017. So I think this is my 4th year of doing it. And so, I'll need to go in and separate the cards, put them on their teams, create the city names, create a schedule, and then use this Universal Instant Results to figure out the winners of the other games. And maybe this year I'll finally do a pennant race. We'll see. I have to figure out how I want to work it. I'm thinking about doing 3-4 team divisions. That's kind of where I'm at right now. But really, like I said, it's all your universe. You can do it as you wish. So anyway, just wanted to show that and the new box in case anybody was curious about upgrading the box. It does. Basically, it's just a basic box, but it's got the nice Play Classic on here, and of course the outside of it when you put it in the sleeve, fits right in the old sleeve here. As soon as I get it in here properly, and there you go. So that's how it would look on your bookshelf, just like that. So there you go. So quick, down and dirty, nothing fancy. Just wanted to put that out there and get everybody kind of pumped up for the Baseball America set. I know Steve Tower's done a few games already with the Fernando De La Rosa replay. But, you know, for those who maybe are on the fence about getting this, I think History Maker Baseball, I think it shines more in the fictional set than it does on the Major League Baseball sets. So I would highly encourage anyone to get these. If you don't want to mess with getting the t-shirt or anything else, just get this. I think it's like $24. It's really and that includes shipping. So it's really inexpensive, an expensive way to enjoy the game. And like I said, have a lot of fun. Part of the fun is creating lineups and creating rosters and team names and schedules. And like I said, you're just building your whole universe, and you're the master of the universe. You can do anything you want to do. There's no right or wrong. As I believe it was Outback Steakhouse said, no rules, just right. And that's kind of the way it is. So that's going to do it from here. One of these days I will, in the middle of all the other inside pitch stuff that I'm doing, I will be doing a game or two on the fictional set. When I finish the 1969 inside pitch replay, that will free up some time, and I may get more involved with this. I'm not sure. I might do another game. I have no idea. Too early to tell right now, depending on my schedule and what's going on. So let's go do it from here. Hope you are having a great day wherever you are. And remember, it's baseball season. Spring training's in the air, so good thing to everybody get excited about it. And hopefully we'll have a full 162 game Major League schedule this year with no problems from the COVID, and we can get down to business. So take care, everybody. Be safe out there. And as usual, I will see you all down the road.